My idea of success. For me, the word success is the most corrupted word in the world. I guess a lot of people will get offended by this statement. So let's put it this way. The idea of success is completely different for me. Yes, because the moment you want to be successful, you always want to get ahead of someone. So, my idea of success is not confined to the loose talks of this society. Let me start by giving an example. Oftentimes, whenever I turn on TV for watching movies, I end up watching some ads from schools and colleges. And it's very funny how they are comparing the marks of their students with the students from other colleges. But my parents never compared me with others, and they just taught me to be happy and how to become the better version of myself. That's it. So, in that way, I'm really grateful for my past because throughout my schooling, I barely attended any classes, and all the learning I have got is from my dad. So, let's get back to the context that I want to talk about. Success. My idea of success never lies in the amount of the money that I'm earning from my job. Instead, it lies in the satisfaction that I'm getting from it. My idea of success never lies in living comfortable life. Instead, it lies in being comfortable no matter where I am. My happiness is not confined to the kind of home that I am living in. Instead, it lies in the kind of atmosphere that I have created for the people to live in. My idea of success never lies in proving that I am worthy to the people who left me when I am no one. Instead, it lies in proving to myself that I can stand on my own legs, even if there is no one for me. My idea of success never lies in the materialistic things that I possess. In other words, my idea of success never lies in the quality of living, but it lies in the quality of life and the immensity with which I am experiencing it. My idea of success never lies in comparing my body with others. Instead, it lies in the pain that I have gone through to build my body and become better version of myself. My idea of success never lies in buying an iPhone, but it lies in the number of eyes looking up to me. My idea of success never lies in buying costly clothes to look good from outside. Instead, it lies in buying clothes for others to feel good from inside. My idea of success never lies in the number of people who cares about me, but it lies in the number of people that whom I care about. Having said that, am I against all these materialistic possessions? No, I am not. But I don't care. Because the moment you start comparing yourself with others, you will either fall sick because of depression or you will fall dead. Adding to that, I recollected an old example that I have heard in my childhood. A man who is walking on the road will look up to the person who is having a bike and thinks how successful he would be to own a bike. A man who is driving on the road on his two-wheeler will look up to the person who is having a car and tries to imagine how successful he would be to own a bike. I'm not able to put it in terms properly, but one thing is for sure. The moment you want to measure your success, you will end up comparing with others. So what exactly is my idea of success in one phrase? I don't know, maybe being happy the way I am. So if anyone comes to me and questions me, how do you measure your success in life? And if they insist that I have to answer, then I would say my idea of success lies in the number of people that I have helped in hard times. My idea of success lies in the emotional stability that I have developed over these years. My idea of success lies in the result of the effort that I am putting right now to unlearn all the rubbish nonsense that the society had imposed on me. Because there is a bad conditioning out there in the society that life is a race and we have to go somewhere and run to win. Well, forget about winning. If you do so, you'll end up hitting a wall. So, whatever your goal is, all you got to do is enjoy the journey. So, what is your idea of success?